Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, $400 a day keeps the job away. We are going to be talking about how I made over $400 day trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. And if you want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's awesome. It's a Swing Trading Masterclass where we have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. So check it out down below. And we do have one sponsor, and that is Moomoo. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Yes, Moomoo is an absolute fantastic broker, so make sure you guys check him out. But anyways, when it comes to trading, a lot of people think that in order to get rich from day trading, you gotta find a stock at $1 and sell it for $100. No, most successful full-time traders, where they make money is finding that stock at $1, but instead of selling it at $2, they sell it for $1.10, but they do this consistently, and they have a proven strategy that actually works, which is super, super important. So let's look at the trade here today on Tesla. Now, Tesla for me is one of those stocks where I day trade. I have about 5 stocks that I really just focused on choosing and focusing on understanding as much as I can about the company, and I day trade them. There's other different types of day traders, like momentum traders that will find a stock that's squeezing up, during the market hours. But for me, you got to have expensive scanners. You're always going to be chasing. Every time when you day trade a momentum stock, you're getting in when a stock's up 40, 50, 60%. So it could easily sell off. You can make a good amount of money trading those types of plays, but you just got to have and understand those expectations. So this strategy works extremely well. Now, with Tesla here, Tesla's a huge trend stock. So what that means is the trend lines are very, very, very hard. So you guys can see here that when the stock opened this morning, it just started selling off like crazy. So it started hitting this line, and we just had a lot of natural tendencies of getting selling pressure. So this is what we call a resistance trend line. So it hit it, we had sell off. Hit it, we had sell off, hit it, we had sell off. So now here, what we do is we actually throw an alert, or you could just watch, and you want to wait for a stock or for the candle to push up above it. You want a full green candle to form above that trend line. So when the stock popped up right here, we're watching this, and then it sold back off. It's actually retesting. It's retesting this old resistance now as support here. So now here, this was my entry point near and around 330.11, right in that range, right on that candle. Because my thought process was this: entering there, keeping our stop loss below 327. For a possible push. I wasn't expecting a push up to 345, but at least up to like 340 was kind of my target price for the day, to be honest with you. Gave a risk and reward of about 3.3, meaning I'm risking $1 to make about $3, which is actually really, really good for these types of trades. So now as the stock forms here, we're just continuing to watch. We're adjusting our stop loss, and we're waiting for a new trend to form here, right? And so now, as that first dip down happened, right, we saw this. Okay, we saw this new trend form, right? So entry, continue to rally its way up, and on that dip down of the trend there was our exit. An absolute fantastic trade. And honestly, too, as we zoom out here, you guys can see that it actually had a very hard support in that window there. We could have traded this thing all day long in this range, right? You can see the heavy amount of support in here. And then we also had the heavy amount of resistance up in here. Since the stock was just very, very flat today, this would have been the move, I almost wish I would have done. But heavy support, heavy resistance, but we honestly just got in on the breakout and sold on the breakdown at resistance, so it worked very, very well. But this is a simple strategy, guys, and other indicators that I will always use are going to be the RSI lines, right? The RSI lines, as you guys can see here, are crucial because at the time it was trading for near and around a 23, which as we zoom out, right? As we zoom out here, the last time it was trading for that, let's go ahead and move that down, was back, let's see, was back in this range where we saw a huge amount of buying pressure. Previous to that was in here where we saw a good move. And all we're looking for is just short-term, short momentum. Another indicator we use is going to be the MACD. You guys can see that signal line breaking up through that MACD line, continuing to rally out, and then we had that confirmation of sell-off right there. So very simple approach, to make over $400 today. So hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below, and we'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, follow, and don't forget, check out our school. Take care.